Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Kevin's Live here in the Bloody House. Today we are actually doing chicken parmigiana, which is a delicious dish, simple out, but the results are fantastic. So we're going to start by, we've got our pan on the heat here. We have a chicken breast that we've literally just spread out, and so it's nice and thin, so it's all even, so it'll cook evenly all the way across. We have some flour, some egg wash, and some panko buns, and we're just going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese through the crumb. Mix that up. Okay, and then so you start by putting it into the flour, like so. Then into the egg wash. Make sure that it's nicely coated in the egg wash.
Yeah, hello from Hamburg today.
From where?
Hamburg.
Hamburg?
Yeah.
Germany?
Yeah.
Nice.
A few more coming up as well.
Couldn't hack. Okay, and then we have putting our oil in the pan there. Wash the hands here quickly.
Is it like a schnitzel?
It is, but it's you wouldn't put Parmesan cheese in your breadcrumbs. But yeah, it's similar. So we're going to let that cook there nicely. In here we have a tomato sauce. We're just going to put the tomato sauce in the base of the pan.
There's a drawing saying it's a great way to stretch a chicken breast. If you always cut them in half.
Yeah, it's perfect. There's enough in that for 2 people for sure.
Do you ever use butter to shallow fry chicken?
You can use a bit of butter. You're better off starting with oil and then finishing with butter. But on this dish, there's so much going on with it, you probably don't need the butter on it. Just the oil is fine.
And you mentioned mozzarella. Can you use grated mozzarella?
You can use grated mozzarella, but it's nice. The whole mozzarella is just delicious. So we're just going to rip that on top. So we're going to take that out and put that in on top of the tomato sauce, like so. And then if you get your mozzarella,
Mary S is
and just
asking.
kind of rip that. Sorry.
Mary S is saying that is your chicken is not cooked.
It's not cooked all the way through because we're going to finish it in the oven. And so that's going to go into the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. And it'll be cooked. I'm just going to put a bit of black pepper on top, like so. And a touch of salt. And then that, as I said, is going to go into the oven. It's out like that. Let me just get the knife here.
People are saying it looks amazing, like a mini pizza.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that is delicious. Enjoy it. It's a perfect for a day like today.